Okay, go.
NASA Van Allen probes by Bryanna Elizabeth. Important dates. September 2nd, 2013. First discoveries were made from the Van Allen probes. August 30th, 2011, they were first launched. And then a year later, in 2012, the two Van Allen probes spacecraft operated in harsh conditions while they were being studied. Science. Van Allen probes were used to help understand the sun's influence on Earth. And the identical Van Allen probes followed similar orbits, and they'll be taken through the inner and outer radiation belts. Technology. The two probes cover the entire radiation belt of the Earth. Also, the Van Allen probes are formally known as the Radiation Belt Storm Probes, or the RBSP. They were designed to help us understand the sun's influence on Earth in near-Earth space by studying the Earth's radiation belts on different scales of space and time. Engineering. The instruments on NASA's Living with the Stars program Van Allen probes will provide the measurements needed to characterize and quantify the plasma processes that will produce very energetic ions and relativistic electrons. And probes will trade the magnetic waves in the area. Art. The probes are two circular donut-shaped rings that are filled with high-energy particles, and the instruments will measure the properties of charged particles that complete the Earth's radiation belts, and the plasma waves that interact with them, and the large-scale electric fields that transport them, and the particle guiding magnetic field. Math. Van Allen probes, the measurements will discriminate between spatial and temporal effects and compare the effects of various proposed mechanisms for charged particle acceleration and loss. The Van Allen probes will provide the measurements needed to characterize and quantify the plasma processes that produce very energetic ions and relativistic electrons. 3 questions that we have found that are science questions to be addressed by the Van Allen probes are: which physical processes, singly or in combination, accelerate and transport the particles in the radiation belt and under what conditions? And what are the dominant mechanisms leading to high energy electron loss? And how do the ring current and other geomagnetic processes affect the radiation belt behavior? We used the NASA website to get our information. And we had 3 more questions. Who came up with the idea of the Van Allen probes? How many people did it take to build the probes? And how many years did it take before the probes were first launched?